Assalamualaikum, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Today we start our first video of SEO. So we start keyword selection. Keyword selection is the best way of increasing traffic of your website. So let's start. We open a Google and type keyword planner. First you will log in. Click on sign in button. Keyword selection is the best way of organic traffic. So we choose the best keyword here. Click on tools and setting. Click on tools and setting button and go on keyword planner. So let's start keyword. For example, my niche is fashion, so I will find fashion related keyword. Click on discover new keywords and select fashion related keyword. For example, best fashion in Pakistan. We will select country. It's already selected. If you want to change any country, then you can enter UAE. Any country you can select. So I will select Pakistan. You can select any region, any country where you want to search keywords. So I have typed best fashion in Pakistan and see get results. So here is the keywords. You can see keywords, relevant keywords, average monthly searches, competition, total, top of page build. You can everything. So let's start. I put this keyword best fashion in Pakistan. So let's check. Monthly searches 110 to 100 and completion low. So it is not beneficial for our website because searches is very low. So we search keywords 1k to 10k plus searches and low medium keywords we are find. So we check relevant keywords. For example, best fashion keywords in Pakistan. So this is the best keyword, 100 to 1k searches and medium competition. See next keyword. For example, top 20 brands Pakistan. So it is the best keywords. Check monthly searches 1k to 10k and competition is very low. And here we search any other keywords, for example latest Pakistani fashion trends. Click on get results. So here is the relevant keyword and competition. So check these keywords: latest Pakistani trends. Here is average monthly search is 100 to 1k and competition is low. So we put any other keywords. Richest Pakistani actor is a keyword and click on get results. Here is the relevant keywords: richest Pakistani actress, top 10 Pakistani actress is the best keyword. So we select any other keywords. So we see get results. Let's see, fashion trends is a brand, and here is monthly searches 100 to 1k and low competition. So it is the best keyword, you can find it. And here is fashion trend 2021 101k searches and competition is low. So we can select this keyword. I hope you will find the best keyword through this tool, and you can also find Uber solution tool. Go nail tail. You can also put your keywords which you want to find. I put so here is the login. So I put Pakistani fashion brands and select English, United States and search. Uber suggests you can find in a day 10 searches. You can find 10 searches in a day because Uber suggests is a paid tool. After 10 searches they will find a requirements. We see a result of best fashion trends. Wait. We see relevant keywords. It's a network problem basically. So let's check. Pakistani fashion brands keyword. Check relevant keywords. Pakistani fashion trend 30 volume CPC. So it is not best keyword. You can leave it. You can search, and you can also, if you want to write content on these keywords, then you can suggest, you can take ideas from this relevant title. So we search another keywords. Best clothes in Pakistan. So it is not best keyword. Search volume is so much less. So we check any other keywords. Just best cloth. Here is, you can see the search is 1300. So you can check these keywords: best cloth and relevant keywords, best cloth steam hair, best cloth brand. It is the best keyword. You can find this keyword if you have fashion related websites. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you will find best keyword ideas through this video. Please subscribe and like if you like my videos. Thank you.